Hi guys, welcome back to Kessy's Cuisine, where we satisfy your food cravings with easy and amazing recipes, guys. So today, guys, we are starting off a new series called the Copycat Series, where we will be creating some of your favorite junk food at home. So to start off this series, we are going to be attempting to recreate KFC chicken wings menu, which is absolutely my favorite, by the way. And if we successfully recreate this menu, you might never see chicken the same way. Okay, guys, come along with me while we make these chicken wings together. So, firstly, we start by prepping our chicken. We'll wash, we'll trim, and we'll get our chicken ready for our marinade. Every great chicken starts with one thing: the flavor from inside. So, this is not just a marinade, this is where the chicken absorbs every single thing that it needs. When we are done mixing all our herbs and spices, we are now going to marinate our chicken with this beautiful mixture. You can definitely use whatever herb combination that you want. I used garlic, some seasoning powder, all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, and I also used some hot chili to give me that KFC spicy flavor. You want to mix everything with your chicken. I'm going to add in some buttermilk. And then I am also going to use that exact same herbs mixture to mix my flour. So I want that combination to just hit right. So after I was done with that, I am going to let it sit for about 30 minutes before I start my coating process. Now for my coating process, I am going to mix my chicken in that my flour mixture, and then I am going to dip it into water, and I added a little bit of vinegar, and I am going to take it back to my flour. Now when you're doing this process, the texture of your flour on your chicken is going to look a little bit rough, but please don't bother, don't board, because that is the exact texture that we are looking for to give us that KFC experience. So when you're done with all that coating, you allow your chicken sit for about 30 minutes. For our frying process, we are going to make sure that our oil is on medium heat. So you don't want it to be too hot, because if it's too hot, your chicken is going to cook on the outside and it's going to be red inside, like it's going to be raw inside. So you want to fry on medium heat. So when I was done with my frying, this is exactly what it looks like: crunchy, cooked on the inside, and also very crunchy on the outside. It's very tender inside and crunchy outside. For chips, chips are quite easy and very straightforward to make. So this is exactly what we have created. Golden, crispy, and perfect. This is the ultimate KFC menu recreated. For our first attempt, I'm going to give this a solid 8/10. Let's try it. Fantastic. So guys, if you want to see more recipes like this, click on the subscribe button. Let us know if you can guess the next menu that we are going to be recreating. Until I see you again, bye.